Hello, my friend. I buy with your donation dog food for my dog in my house and also in my shelter shelter Fundulea. I have 6 dogs and also for another dogs around my dogs. I have more. I buy many things I use for the dogs. I'm very happy because I can make this because I have food for the dog. This is Betty Pump. Betty? 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 Betty, you are so nice. I love you, Betty. She's spoiled. And Puffy dog. He sleep. And don't you dog. Thanks a lot, my friend. My friends. Bye, everybody.